Hi everyone, welcome to this fourth video of how to create your own AI manga using mangagen.io, and I'll quickly go towards the chapter 4 of Neomon, the chapter which we have used in the previous two videos. So in the last video we had seen that we had created till panels 10, the images were created till panel 10, and now we have, in the meantime, I had created all the rest of the images starting from panel 11 till panel 45. We'll do a review of this entire manga at the end. And for today's video, what I'll be showing is how to insert the dialogue into this panel and the other features available in this edit panel button. So we'll click on this. A new page pops up. Here we can see that the image is there. So in mangagen.io, the text is not automatically copy pasted on the image. The AI, it is only generating the images based on our story. So that the part of adding dialogues, it is manual, and I actually agree to it because even though the script which I gave to the software, that script is pretty descriptive. But when I have to make dialogues for a manga, I want them to be short and precise. And even in my experience, you like when working with both images and text together, the model does tend to make mistakes, and if I cannot correct that, then that becomes a problem. So I'll just click on this button, and it shows me the narrator text box. Narrator text box in mangas are usually a square text box with no tail because it's the narrator who is telling them. Okay, so it says, and in the silence of the courtyard, holding a cold, dark relic that represented his first failure, Leo Silva made his choice. Leo remains on his knees, clutching the inert relic. Lorekeeper Thiron stands over him, his expression unreadable. So probably I think this narrator panel should be enough. There is not much need of adding another narrator panel because this is obviously what he is doing is pretty much visible and quite clear to me. So once we have added this speech bubble, we'll click on save. So this button saves the speech bubble data. And once we are like saving the speech bubble data, click on finalize. So it might, yeah. So the image is now saved. Now go back, reload this page once more. We had saved this image. If I'll go to the reader view, so this image will pop up because it is a saved image. So that finalize button, what it does is it moves your image from the panel section to the reader section. It is not published yet because I have not published it, but in a pseudo reader view available for the creator, we can see that this image is popping up with the dialogue present in it. For another quick example, let's go to panel 2, and here we have dialogues for both of the characters. So Leo is saying, I don't know how to do this. I'm not like Felix. And lore keeper Theoron, pretty like it's a huge dialogue because was this descriptive, we'll have to shorten this up or probably break it into multiple dialogues. I don't know how to do this. I'm not like Felix. Let's say Saint Sir. I am so weak. I'm not like Felix. Igni did his best, but I was the weak link. I want this I am to be in the next line. So let us do it this way. So yeah, we have done that. Now the tail depicts actually who is speaking the dialogue, and it should be directed towards the character who is speaking it. So since it is being directed away from Leo, we'll change the direction of the tail, and it is directed to right. This purple round button should be directed towards the character. So this, I'll just copy paste the tail here, change the angle a bit, and move it a bit. So yeah, this becomes Leo's dialogue. Now just quickly hovering towards Theoron's dialogue. I think we'll just. Your blessing is not a shining star, it is a smoldering ember. It requires patience, care, and a great deal of will to coax it into a next use word transform into a flame. We can also decrease the font size. I'll not recommend going below font size 12 because then it becomes very difficult to read on the mobile app. Yeah, then let's make it right, directed towards Theoron, so it becomes his dialogue. We'll probably copy paste this dialogue again, and I'll just, yeah, let's keep it font size 12. I think this sounds good. You can, if you want to change the dialogue, you're always welcome to do so. But I think this sounds good. Let's save it, finalize it, and our image is saved. Let's close this up, go into the reader view, and yeah, our second panel is also showing in the reader section, which we had saved. So yes, thanks for your time for watching, and please do like, subscribe, and share in case you liked our video. And this was the video 4 in the creator series of how to create your own AI manga. In the next video, I'll be showing more features in the edit panel, and post that we'll be reviewing our completed Neomon chapter 4, and we should be good to go. So, thanks everyone.